Hey, there's no soliciting here.
What's
so
that?
if you could just like skedaddle.
Yeah, if you could leave, I mean.
Are you recording me right now? Are you recording?
Are you soliciting?
I'm sorry. Did I give you permission to record me?
Did I ask?
All right, Bert. Go get my sandwich. Sandwich time. Come on.
They don't call him Sandwich Wyatt for nothing. Now he's gonna eat the whole thing in 0 seconds. Done. He did it really quickly.
I was moving so fast you couldn't even see.
If I was a bird, I'd want a sandwich. These people probably think you're stupid. So close. So close. We'll get him next time. Right there.
I was just telling Owen that unless he derails, there's no way he's gonna miss it.
They call him the bird train because he's on the track.
Alright, I guess we forgot to tell him where he's going. Are you going to Bread Center?
What is this, Bread City?
I hate bread. There we go. There's no way he can miss that.
Wow, he really does not want that bread.
What are you, stupid?
Well, if he's not gonna eat it, you know who has to? Oh. Oh. Let's do it, bird. Go!
So it's really cold out, so we're gonna go. We're gonna go take our picture in front of the UAF sign because it's like negative 40, 45 or something like that. And me and Owen want to be original. And we don't just want to follow what all the other people do. And wear regular. That's good.
Wow, that's great.
We don't just want to wear regular, shorts like everybody else.
We're gonna be sexy.
We're gonna be sexy, and I'm gonna cut nipple holes in mine.
I probably will too, but I don't have a shirt yet. Dude, no way!
This motherfucker on.
What?
Oh my god, oh my god.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey.
Hey.
Hey, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
What do you have to say for yourself?
What? Here to meet. This man is here to meet a 13-year-old.
Oh, you funny, bro.
Wow. Wow.
You guys are
Say something?
Yeah?
Say something.
Something.
Wow, this funny guy right here. Wow, look at this funny guy, Noah Gillard.
Is this for your kids?
This is for...
You're getting shot like that. That's cool.